All right, it's filming.
Okay, here at 501 West Vermont, going to do an attempted repair on this wind damaged shingle here. Obviously, we are attempting to see if this roof is repairable, if in replacing this shingle, it'll actually bring the roof to pre-loss condition. So first things first, we're going to unseal it, the whole shingle. We also have to do it to the one above so I can get it out. Shingle starts here, ends here. So brittle, it's coming just right off the nails really easily. The nails are into the sealant strip on this one. Show a better angle of that. It's not going to reseal after I'm finished. I'm gonna have to go up a little bit further to the next shingle because they are low nailed. Again, these shingles are just coming right off the nails. A little difficult to get these nails out clean. Here's the first nail. You can't really see it too well, but it is about 3/4 of an inch. Obviously not to code. It's not going to go into the decking enough. Second shingle, I'm not able to remove the nail on it from the top, so I have to go under to try and remove the nail, and it's just coming right off of it. Already a ton of granuloss on this. One main concern we're looking at here is that granuloss, just because in order to bring this roof truly to pre-loss condition, we need to make sure the shingles are just as durable as they were before. When you're having this amount of granuloss, the asphalt becomes exposed and it really reduces the lifespan of these shingles. One last nail in here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to simulate ideal repair conditions. We're going to take this wind damaged shingle that we already removed. As you can see, the nails pop right through. Didn't even stand a chance. It's really brittle still. Really not suitable for repairs. You can see where I pulled these nails out. Obviously there's holes in the underlayment. That's an issue. So ideal situation here, we get a shingle this exact size. That's not the case. The replacement shingle would be a different shingle, but for this video purpose, we're gonna go ahead and just slide this original back in there. So putting it right back into place. Obviously massive amount of granuloss, but we'll continue on just to show you. Taking 1 1/4 inch nails here. These are up to code, unlike the ones in the roof. Gonna throw in 5 of these bad boys. Using a roofing snake to try and minimize the amount I'm moving these shingles. Nailing it a little higher than the rest of the roof. One of the big issues with repairing a roof is this roofing snake tends to butt up against these shingles pretty tightly. So an unavoidable thing that will happen, a little bit of damage here to the edge of this shingle. So after all is said and done, this shingle has a massive crease in it. The one above it also has a lot of creasing going on. The shingle above it, unfortunately, due to the fact we had to remove the nails, has holes all through it. We'll send pictures of close-ups of that. Obviously show it a little bit more into detail. So this kind of shows what we're doing here, trying to replace the shingle. Indentations on all of these shingles, everywhere I nailed, unfortunately, due to the roofing snake and the nature of making shingle repairs. A lot of granule loss. Definitely doesn't look like this roof is pre-loss condition after that, and this is even with ideal circumstances. That's it.